Hi, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I am on board the new 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard, and I'm going to walk you through it. This particular boat has been dubbed the Entertainer. Other thoughts are it's just a tremendous day yacht, lots of great room in it. Does have a cabin with generator and air and heat, so it's just a great entertainment boat. The boat measures overall is 41 feet 11 inches with a 12-1 beam. It is also has a 375 gallons of fuel, 50 gallons of water. The boat is yacht certified and weighs a little bit over 18,500 pounds. So I'm going to start up in the bow area. One terrific thing on this boat is you got a nice side walk around, plenty of room. You got a walk-through windshield, it's going to give you plenty of wind blockage. Lots of non-skid here when you're putting up the isinglass. This boat comes with a full enclosures, full isinglass enclosures. Here we have the wind blocker as well, so when you shut the window you can completely block the air here. You walk on up, it's got a drainage system, nice bow area, 3 seats, stereo remote. It's got a table up here for the cockpit, or you can lower it. It's got the filler cushions to make this a bow sun pad area. Lots of storage on this boat. So on both sides here, storage, grab handles. This boat is also equipped with a bow sunshade. So it's a manual sunshade, so you put that up and clip it to the top, and so it gives you a nice area up here if you want to read, if you're anchored out. This particular boat also has the windlass with the remote control, and all access for everything here is just really simple to get to. This boat has a stainless steel anchor included, as well as freshwater washdown and a spotlight. Lots of blue lighting, blue LED lighting throughout this particular boat. Plenty of cup holders on this boat. So now I'm in the cockpit area, in the helm. You have a nice hard top here. It is a manual opening shade. It's real simple to pull and open and shut here. So you can get the sun protection, or you can run it, and it's got a nice lock where you can lock it out so you don't have rattles. You don't have to worry about it sliding back and forth. Great dash. The way they set it up here with the dark material, the dark leather dash here, so it's going to knock down the glare. You have twin Simrad screens here on this particular boat, all digital layout. You get your stereo, your spotlight, push button cranking on the engines here, tilt steering. This boat is equipped with the Seakeeper stabilization, your trim tabs, windshield washers, your control panel here from Mercury. You can control all 3 engines here together. Joystick, your VHF radio, and it's the new style with the remote control. You have your audio controls, you have your vessel controls, and you have your Mercury data. You can hit all 3 here on this screen. You can split the screens. It's just a real easy boat to operate as far as being able to see with your chart plotter, GPS, sonar, and your engine data. So now I'm in the back portion of the cockpit here. Everything is real simple on this boat, so you can get to your battery on-off switches right here. Real easy to get to right when you step on the boat. This particular boat has a TV in the cockpit. It has dual burner stoves. It has a refrigerator, a wine chiller, and trash receptacles there. The companion seat swivels all the way around so you can face forward, or if you're entertaining here guests, you can also do it that way. So there's a lot of neat things on this particular boat, and it locks into place. There's lots of storage under all of these seats here. There's plenty of storage. I got all the canvases in there. This particular boat, if you notice the beautiful teak layout on this particular boat. Cooler, more storage as well. And you can see how the seat swivels around. So I can lift this right here manually, just as simple as that. Then I have this whole section is electric power lift here, so I can raise it up and down. And then that's where your batteries, your gyro, generators located there as well. But because this boat's an outboard, it's just easy stuff to get to for mechanics. So you have your lift system access, so you can get to that. Your through hole for your macerator, which this boat has. Your battery banks are over there. Everything is real easy to get to. Your strainers, again, your generators on that corner, and your gyro is through bolted through the stringers right here in the center of the floor in the bilge. So this boat, I just wanted to point out, this boat has the optional radar to go along with the chart plotter, sonar, and GPS. Has the Glow Max for the TV, that's for your local stations. So if you're anchored out, you can actually watch some of the local stuff there. You got dual horns there. You've got the power awning that's back here, and it's a touch screen on the dash to pull it in and out. So you got plenty of sunshade all the way to the very back. If you don't want that, then you can roll it up. It's completely out of the way. You're not hitting your head on it. We're down in the cabin of the 400 SLX Outboard, and you have a nice conversion bed here. So you got a table that can drop down. That has matching cushions that go right on top of it, so you can have a nice berth. There's storage underneath. You have a TV above. You've got your air and central air and heat controls. You've got stereo controls, 12-volt receptacle, and 110 outlet. You have underneath this cushion backrest, you have your shore power panel. It's completely hidden out of the way, so you're not losing a cabinet for storage. On the right side over there, there's a couple of cabinets, and the one on the right is where the Blu-ray is. You got the hardwood floors. You got refrigeration, and then you have a microwave here. Down below you have a nice double berth, and then a nice 3 stairs coming entry level coming in and out of the cabin of the boat. When you go into the head, you have a vacuum flush toilet, nice large sink, shower, tile floor, and hot and cold water as well. So nice little cabin for, again, it's a great day yacht, overnighter, stay for a couple days somewhere, or just out for the day. It gives you a good chance to come down in and cool off. So now I'm on the stern of the boat, and what we have on the starboard side here is the fold down deck. And basically it adds about 3 feet of beam to the boat when you're anchored out. Comes right up, locks. So on the back of the boat there's an overabundance, I mean really tons of storage. So you've got this like a garage here where you can put lots of coolers, chairs. Then on this side here, there's a safety latch, and this whole section will come up. So if you want to put a paddle board, surfboards, and there's just all kinds of storage. You have your freshwater intake, inlet, and your exterior freshwater hose can clip on there, so you can wash down your power inlets. You have a fresh, hot, and cold water wash down back here, as well as a 12-volt receptacle. And there is a optional shower hole that goes in here, so if you wanted to have a shower out on the back of the boat before you get in, you can certainly hose all the sand off. You have a drainage system there that runs straight out the back. Swim ladder on the starboard side, pop-up cleats, to go along with the incredible triple 350 Mercury Verado engines with joystick piloting. And that concludes our walkthrough of the 400 SLX. Thank you again. This is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. 910-256-8100 is our number here, or you can reach us at marinemax.com or joe.jackson@marinemax.com if you want to contact me individually.